I agree. Yo, guys, what's up? You don't see my bed until. But yeah, I found this cool watch. In like those boxes that people put random stuff in. So I know it is probably like one of my uncles, but look at it. In this cool, bro. Like look at them with you. It's off, and I feel like feel like I feel like lately we have been dealing with just mechanical problems, and yeah, right. So this part of the video, right, or slash episode, is gonna deal with the brainstorming part, right? So because I mean, what's a mission without a plan? Exactly. So here, let me see if you can see that. Yep. So here is the notes which we're brainstorming on what needs to be done on the Ford ST, right? So have it nice and big here, Ford ST problems. So number one, when you turn the steering wheel, loud noises. Probable cause, CV joint. Number two, inconsistent boost readings, right? Turbo wastegate solenoid sensor, da 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 da. Number three, heat bank one, sensor two. That's to deal with the O2 sensors that go to the exhaust from the first cylinder, right? And then we've got what I can do for December. I mean, I'm not Bill Gates after all, so some things have to be compromised. So, first things first, I want to buy an engine cleaner because that engine bay looks like somebody's, like, it looks like rats, like if rats had a home. Yeah, that's how I could say it. So 50 to 150 rands, right? Depending on the liters, right? And then standard maintenance check, right? That's like check the oil, coolant, air filter, battery, wipes. Yeah, the wipes liquid, like the thing that like the wipe liquid for like when you wanna. I'm 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 sure you, I'm sure you get what I'm saying. And then tire thread, even though I don't have money for tires, but it's a good thing to note. And then brakes, like brake pads and stuff. Don't have. Oh wait, I think I do. So we have to check that. And any leaks under the car, rotate the wheels. Yeah, that's just like standard protocol, right? So after that, you have to buy the turbo wastegate solenoid sensor, right? This is wrong. I shouldn't be saying buy because what if the sensor's not the problem, right? I don't know why I'm so fixated on buying a sensor. Oh, I'm so excited with working with sensor. Yeah, they're interesting. And then we have the CV joint problem, which I'm not really sure if it's a CV joint problem or maybe something is just not well fitted. I don't know. It could be even a control arm, cause the last time we had a funny sound where like on the left passenger side wheel where when you turn you just had this gung 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 gung. It's like you're turning a whole boat, I mean a whole ship, gung 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 gung. And then new gear knob. So this is going for around 500 plus, and this is like the cheapest. Why I say it's the cheapest online is because the Ford ST is a 6-speed what you call 6-speed manual. Yeah, it's a 6-speed manual, right? And it has the reverse on the like bottom right hand side, right? So if I could illustrate that, what, I'm lazy for that, so yeah. Yeah, okay, so if I could illustrate that. Bow. So this is the Ford ST gear setup, right? Right, so it's a 6-speed. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then reverse. Right now, modern modern vehicles, modern manual, or yeah, I think yeah, that's the right word. Modern manual vehicles have this setup. Maybe not even modern, but the one that I'm seeing, they've got, hold on, they've got like one, two, three, four, five, six, and the reverse is here, right? Oh, come on. So the reverse is here. If it's not this, then you only get 5 speed, and we're dealing with the 6 speed. And then the other options is just like blank, blank speed. Like you don't see gear, the gear gates, gear selectors, whatever you wanna call them. So yeah, you don't see them. You just have to guess it. So like, I'm just worried about someone else that might ooh, someone who will have to drive the car. And yeah, I was saying like, so I just had to do something real quick. But like for like somebody who doesn't like know the car and just see this, it's not really inconvenient. So I have to make a plan. So yeah, you see like, this is what most of them are. Like, see, this is a 6 speed, but the reverse is on the top right. These ones are actually cool, but like they're not the model that I'm restoring. You see, like the reverse is here. See, and there's a problem. It's a problem. Let me check more. Where's that drop down, man? But like, you see what I mean? Like, this one is actually, the reverse is bottom. Oh yeah, bottom right, but it's 5 speed. So that's the problem. Most of these shops are like online shops. Some of them not sure if they're credible, like Temu. I mean, I haven't bought anything from Temu, so I'm yet to see. Yeah, you see, this one is perfect. One, two, three. This is actually what we are looking for. But check AliExpress. Like, I don't have the strength to deal with shipping costs. Like, yo, like, yeah. But eventually, it's something that I'm gonna have to learn, because like, the more you progress with car mods, you'll realize that most of the things you're gonna be able to get them from like overseas. So yeah, but either way, like, I'm not spending 625, but I can spend around 500 for this thing. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's the brainstorming so far we have for the Ford ST. And now yeah, let's go to the mission. Okay, guys.